Hi guys, I have this small paperback journal that I'm going to dedicate to having it be vintage theme. I can't talk. But yeah, I was just going to get started in it. So why not? I have so much vintage stuff, authentic. It's hard to see probably all in here. Look, there's another paperback journal. Anyways, I have authentic, faux. Most of this is actually authentic. Either way, I just felt like playing around in this journal with the authentic, with the vintage theme. So that's what I'm doing. Trying to find my glue stick. Where did I put it? Here it is. All right. Some of the pages, I like the background, but this one doesn't quite fit the theme I want to do, so I'm just going to cover it up. Yeah, so I might do some collage. I'll add pockets and bits and bobs as I go. Let's see. Oops, that ripped, but that's okay. This is very vintage paper, so I'm not surprised it ripped, actually. I just want to cover it up. Let's see. So what are you guys up to? I have a video uploading right now that is just busting up some junk journal scraps. I'll probably do a lot of scrappy videos coming up here because I have so many scraps that I need to just really use. Let's see here. Let me know what you feel about using scraps. I love making stuff with scraps. I hate throwing things out that are usable, but just not, you know. Oh, that's Sissy. Make this whole background probably fairly collagey. Let's see. Maybe I already said that. I don't know. Yeah, so just a relaxing collagey video. Just look at this, how old this is. It's not even staying together. Kind of need. I have a bunch of vintage photos that are authentic, and I just make copies of them and then use them when I feel like it. I haven't used them in a long time, so I might use her. Here's some of the other ones. I just reuse them and reuse them. Let's see. There's some tea-dyed paper. Let me see how far down I want that to go. So the corners are kind of rounded in here, but that's okay. I'm not going to round this because I like a little jag going on. Some jagged edges. Let's see. Or like not perfect edges, you know? Let's see. That. I might use this glue for this because it's a little thicker paper. And I don't know if, you know, each page is going to be embellished in here. I'm not really sure what my plan is yet. Since I just started this video, or this journal, just kind of want it to be a play-in journal. So what I might do, let's see, is add this in and then maybe use some washi with it. Let's see. So I've got all sorts of washi that's kind of vintagey that I could use here. Like faux vintagey, you know, like this. I need to cover this corner, so let me look. That fits pretty perfect there. I might use that. Oops. Both sides have writing, so this paper's just from probably Temu or something, but it's awesome for faux vintage. I don't mind faux vintage. I use it sometimes. Of course, I prefer real, but I don't, like I said, I use a little bit of it here and there. Just gonna put that there. Hopefully it still bends. Yeah, okay. Just relaxing to collage with no plan. This is some more washi, or it's like sticker tape. Let's see. I think just grabbing what I have on top. Let's see. Music paper is always awesome. Maybe I'll put some there. Make sure it bends. Yeah, I guess I could show you guys a little bit real quick what's in here. I just bound it using a 3-hole pamphlet stitch. Oh, there's the middle. I'm trying to find it here. All right, that's the middle. I have some dyed papers. This is some mulberry, some paper I have dyed, some tea dyed. A little, you know, some coloring page, some graph, I think it's graph paper. No, not graph paper, ledger. Just some random papers. This is vintage, you know, school paper. So that's what this is. I've had this journal sitting around for a while, like that other one. This one's the same concept, different papers. I think here's the center of this one. And it's just 3-hole pamphlet stitch on the edge. Up. I'll put some matte paper there. Charlie, go lay down. Charlie's eyeballing me. They want cookies like every 5 seconds, but I'm not, it's not healthy. Oops, that's upside down. All right, so my plan for this, maybe I'll just put it there. I don't know. It's not really where I wanted it, but it's fine. Let's see. Shh, go lay down, both of you. Mommy's trying to make some videos and work and play. I just came in from outside playing with them. No, you go lay down. This is just some washi tape. Large washi tape. This doesn't want to stick. All right. Let's see if I can get some of this really old stuff to hang out here without ripping as I try to put it in. It's so brittle. I don't think so. I tried. Too brittle. Let's see. Go lay down. I don't know why that doesn't want to stick. So I need something up there. Let's see. I don't know if this will work or not. Not quite. I know I'm covering up that matte piece, but it's okay. And getting glue all over this book, but okay, I don't care. Sissy, go lay down. I got glue stuck everywhere. This is from like a vintage botanical book, like weeds or something. This that I'm using right here, it says like white clover. Okay. I need to do something there. So I think what I'm gonna do is this. Let me look through here and see what I've got. Trying to break up this side over here a little bit. I grabbed a label that I have made. Oh, I probably should have inked it a little bit, but that's all right. It's too late now. Let me see. What do I have in here? Or maybe I have like a... Oh, that's big. Kind of like this bird. I don't know if it fits this page, but let me see. If not, I'll put it in. I'll put it in here in my use later because I do like the bird. I'm just trying to find a couple little things to add. I don't know. I'm trying to cover up that little spot that still has like that. Okay. Can always add more to it later. But I was thinking about maybe adding a little, I don't know if this is gonna show up. This is gesso and not paint, so we'll see if it's gonna show up. Might have to use paint. Just want it on like super subtle, not like crazy. that's enough. I mean, of course I can add layer after layer, but, oops, I set my wall. Oh, I just ripped that butterfly. For some reason, I'm itching to put something else on there. I do like this moth. What do you guys think? I know you can't tell me because I'm recording. Kind of like this guy. Oops. This little guy. Where do I want this butterfly? Right there, maybe? Oops. Hi, Sissy. I know I'm getting in the paint a little bit. I forgot I put paint on there. All right. I better be careful now. Right, sis? This is just a vintage number stamp. I've got these cute little number stamps. I'll show you. And they all like connect together. Can kind of like subtly put a number in there. All right. I think I'll let that dry and be the first page. It's always hard to get a journal started. So I think I'll just let that be that and then work on it more with more videos as I feel like working in a vintage journal. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you later. Bye.